Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan biscuits at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the fat, grab 6 tablespoons of very cold, solid vegan butter, cut into small pieces. Finally, have 3/4 cup of unsweetened plant-based milk ready. Using cold butter is key for flaky biscuits. Now let's get mixing. Add your cold, cubed vegan butter to the dry ingredients. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. Next, slowly pour in the plant milk, mixing just until the dough comes together. Be careful not to overmix. A few gentle folds will help create those amazing flaky layers we all love. With your dough ready, it's time to shape our biscuits. Lightly flour your work surface and roll the dough to about 1-inch thickness. Grab a 2-inch round biscuit cutter and press straight down, avoiding twisting, to get uniform biscuits. Place them on a baking sheet. Bake these beauties at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown. And there you have it, freshly baked, warm and fluffy vegan biscuits ready to enjoy. They're perfect on their own, or you can serve them with some fruit jam, vegan gravy, or even a savory spread. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.